seasoned pro, there's something for you. One of the best parts about these competitions is the community you'll build. AI and machine learning are not solo sports. You'll work with teammates, learn from peers, and even network with industry leaders. These connections can be invaluable as you advance in your career, providing both guidance and opportunities. Now let's hear a bit from those who've been there. I spoke with several B.Tech students who participated in these competitions, and the consensus is clear. It's tough, but incredibly fun. They talked about late nights, coding marathons, and that moment of triumph when their model finally worked. The experience, they say, is exhilarating. So if you're a B.Tech student or just someone interested in AI and machine learning, why not give these competitions a try? They're a fantastic way to test your skills, meet like-minded individuals, and maybe even contribute to the next big breakthrough in AI. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and who knows, the next AI wizard could be one of you watching right now. So go ahead, take the leap and dive into the world of AI competitions. Who knows what you'll discover? Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep coding and keep innovating.